Oh shit, tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for West Central Delaware County in North Central Georgia,
Who needs the hush?
Murray County in Northwestern Georgia, Southeastern Whitfield County in Northwestern Georgia.
Tornado warning.
11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Tilton, or near Dalton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dalton, Chatsworth, Eaton, Crandall, Conasauga Lake, Mill Creek, Tales Creek, DeMille, Ramhurst, Fort Mountain State Park, Tilton, and North Georgia Speedway. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I was in the process of uploading a video, thank you.
Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bradley County in East Tennessee,
Oh, this will be
Hope
fun.
County in East Tennessee,